Okay, today fixing a cello bow that had broken. Came apart real easy. And on this one, I could not get the horsehair out of the end here. I left it in. And you can see, if you look real closely, you can see the little hairline crack where it broke. So I just crazy glued that together, and then the next day I brought it out and I built a jig and I cut on my table saw this groove to receive this shim. Okay, notice I've got the curve here that I drew from the table saw blade, and I took my belt sander and finished, I did a rough cut with my jigsaw, and then I smoothed it off with the table saw, so I got straight and then curved.